The coronavirus threat is alarming. The world is facing a health emergency with the casualties crossing the 200,000 mark. The World Health Organization has suggested a few ways to protect ourselves from this pandemic. These include regular hand washing, using a mask when in public, social distancing, and thorough cooking of food. These measures suggested by the World Health Organization, of course, needs to be considered. But will these measures be enough to fight the risks the virus has invoked globally? What could be the next step for prevention? This can be building and boosting up your immunity. How can this be done? There is an easy way to do this by the consumption of immunity boosters made from naturally grown fruits and vegetables around us. Garlic shot, the magical drink to boost your immunity. Garlic has been in use for long, both as a spice and a medicine with several health benefits. It helps to make body immune against cold and flu. It reduces health risks to heart, and is especially recommended to consume during winter twice a day. And, since flu is considered as the first symptom of the disease, garlic can definitely prove to be the best remedy for preventing coronavirus. Here is how you can prepare a perfect shot of garlic at home. Cut and mash up a clove of garlic and put it in a cup. Squeeze the juice of 1 whole lemon into it. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And, your garlic shot is ready. Though you should gulp in the entire shot in one try, you can even drain it down with some water. You should take the garlic shot twice or thrice a day until the symptoms of flu are gone. Try this amazing 5-minute magical recipe today and build up your immunity to fight against coronavirus.